Successful businesses are built on communication. That means delivering the right information to the right place at the right time, whether you're dealing with your colleagues, customers, or suppliers. But too often, critical data is locked up in desktop applications like Microsoft Excel, or trapped in email attachments, third-party systems, or online services like Google Sheets. Do you struggle to pull all this data together? And when you're sharing it, how do you make sure that everyone's working with the very latest information? And when everyone needs different access, how do you control it and keep track of who sees what? And when they all want live data on their mobiles, well, can they get it? We wanted to solve these everyday problems, and so we created iPushPull and made it all easy. iPushPull is a simple, powerful service which lets you combine the functionality of your current applications with the global access of the cloud. With a click of the mouse, you can select and share your live data with the people who need to see it, whether they're in the same office or on the other side of the world, whether they're at their desk or on their mobile. iPushPull plugs into the applications you love, like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or WordPress, and your local databases and third-party systems. It requires no development. It's so simple, you can do it all yourself. Whatever your sector, whatever your role, whatever device you're using, iPushPull is a cost-effective way to bring your colleagues, customers, and suppliers together into a single live data community, so everyone gets the right data at the right time automatically. iPushPull delivers live data sharing and cloud access for your current applications, improving productivity, saving time and money, and keeping you ahead of the game. Take control of your data. Visit iPushPull.com and start your free trial today.